Imagine you're running a fitness center and want to celebrate World Health Day with a motivational post. Here's how RecurPost AI crafted special day post feature can help you create an inspiring message using the mobile application. Start by turning on the toggle of Use AI Assistant. Now, click on Share a Post and select AI crafted special day posts. Now, search for World Health Day and select it. Now, pick the social profile where you want to post the content. Let's say you are posting on Instagram this time. You can also add some personalized detail to tweak the message. For example, join our free outdoor run this World Health Day. That's it, and hit the generate button. Now review the generated content, and if the message is what you need, click on Add to Post. Now select the social account where you want the post to go out. You can make any last minute changes to the message or add image. And then you can go ahead and post this. And that's it. You have just created a motivating World Health Day post using our mobile application. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, you can reach out to us on support@recurpost.com.